Attach your USB drive. So many drives. Can I merge all USB drives to one? Open command prompt. Type Diskpart. Type list disk to list all your physical drives. Type select disk 0. Then, type list partition to list all partitions of the drive. Check whether or not this drive contains the partitions we want to merge. In this case it's not. Now, repeat the process one more time but select disk 1. This drive contains the partitions we want to merge. Type clean to delete all the partitions of drive 1. Type exit and close the command prompt window. Open Computer Management. Click on Disk Management. Keep the defaults and click OK. Now, right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. Click Next all the way to the end. Close Computer Management and open this PC. Problem solved.